Have you ever come across a serum that promises to completely change your intimate care routine? Well, Vipstick Serum has been getting a lot of attention lately. Some calling it a game changer, others calling it overhyped. It's marketed as an intimate care serum designed to moisturize, protect, and even enhance sensitivity. Sounds impressive, but is it really as effective as it claims? Vipstick Serum currently ranks as the #2 product in Amazon's sexual enhancers category, which instantly makes people curious, but also a little skeptical. The brand claims it can hydrate delicate areas, provide a gentle plumping effect, and even help women experiencing dryness or discomfort during menopause. Some reviewers mention a noticeable warming sensation that makes the experience feel more alive and soothing. Others say it helps with dryness and adds comfort, making it a great self-care addition. However, not everyone shares the same excitement. A few users report the serum feels too strong or causes irritation, while others say they didn't notice much of a difference even after consistent use. The texture is said to be smooth and light, but for some, the scent feels a bit chemical or artificial. Overall, Vipstick Serum sits somewhere in between. It's not a total miracle product, but not a complete disappointment either. It might work beautifully for some, especially those needing extra moisture, but could be too intense or underwhelming for others. So before you buy into the hype, it's worth knowing your skin type and sensitivity level. If you're curious to test it yourself and see how it works for you, the product link is tagged in this video for easy access. Just remember, results vary, so always do a patch test and listen to your body.